Have you ever told yourself कि बस अब और नहीं सोचना and 5 minutes later you are still thinking about the same thing? The truth is you can't stop overthinking just by telling yourself to stop. Because overthinking is not a habit you break with willpower, but it's a pattern your brain has learned. And if your brain can learn it, it can also unlearn it. So, in today's video, I am going to share 6 practical techniques that psychologists often recommend to manage overthinking. The first one is become aware that you are overthinking. Before you stop overthinking, you first have to notice that you are doing it. Most people don't even realize when they have entered the overthinking loop. The moment you catch yourself thinking about the same thing again and again, pause. Then ask yourself these three simple questions. Has this actually happened or am I just imagining it? Am I solving a real problem or creating a what if scenario? Can I control this right now? If the answer is no, take a deep breath because awareness is the first step towards change. You can't change a pattern until you recognize it. The second technique is set a worry window. Here is a technique psychologists call a worry window. Whenever your mind says, we need to think about this right now, don't fight it. Instead, say, I will think about it today from 8 pm to 8:15 pm. Your brain relaxes immediately because it knows the thought isn't being ignored, it's simply being postponed. If it's a small issue, give it 5 minutes. And if it's something important, maybe 15 or 30 minutes. And here is the most important rule. Once the timer ends, stop. If you still don't have an answer, take a break, come back later with a fresh mind because thinking longer doesn't always mean thinking better. Third technique is change your environment. Overthinking loves repetition. So don't stay in the same place. If you are lying in the bed, get up. Drink a glass of water, go for a walk, stand near a window, talk to someone. Even changing rooms can interrupt the cycle. Sometimes your brain doesn't need another thought, it simply needs a different environment. The fourth technique is break the loop with the action. One reason overthinking continues is because we delay action. Imagine you are choosing between the two options. Instead of thinking for another hour, take one small step. Send the message, make the call, start the task. Action gives your brain new information. Overthinking only repeats old information. Remember, clarity often comes after action, not before it. Fifth technique is bring yourself back to the present moment. When your mind is racing, your body is usually still safe. So remind your brain where you really are. You can try any grounding technique, the 5-4-3-2-1 technique. Notice 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 4 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. Or try 3-3-3 technique. Name 3 objects, listen for the 3 sounds, and move 3 parts of your body. Or simply pick one color and notice everything around you with that color. These simple exercises pull your attention out of your thoughts and bring back you into the present moment. Sixth technique is write your thoughts down. When your thoughts stay inside your head, they feel bigger than they really are. So write them down. Everything without judging yourself. Then read what you have written and ask, would I say this to someone I love? If the answer is no, rewrite the thought in a kinder, more balanced way. For example, instead of writing, I am definitely going to fail, try, I am nervous, but I have handled difficult situations before. This is called reframing. You are not lying to yourself, you are choosing a healthier perspective. Here is some bonus techniques. If your mind still feels overthinking or busy, try taking a few slow deep breaths. Meditate for 5 minutes or use the 5-year rule. Ask yourself, will this matter 5 years from now? If the answer is no, it probably doesn't deserve the 5 hours of your attention today. If there is one thing I want you to remember, it's this: you don't have to control every thought. You just have to stop letting every thought control you. Overthinking is not something that disappears overnight, but every time you choose awareness over panic, action over fear, and the present moment over imaginary scenarios, you are training your brain to think differently. If this video helped you, comment below which technique are you going to try first. And if you know someone who overthinks everything, share this video with them. I will see you in the next one. Until then, understand your mind and change your life. Thank you.